So the first way to try to speed up your automation development is definitely using existing templates. n8n has a template library that you can use. You can also create your own templates and upload it on here. Some people can monetize their own templates. That's why you can see there are free and not free templates on here. For example, if you're looking for AI agent, usually we have a specific use case, but you can see that there are tons of free templates that you can use. Let's just click into one. You click on this button, use for free. You can either copy the template to your n8n workflow, or you can click on this that will just import it directly into your workspace. n8n workflow is essentially just a JSON file. It's just a file that contains all the data that it represents the workflow in n8n. Let me just show you. If you click on copy template to clipboard, and let's go to brand new workflow, Command V, or is it Control V on window? You can see that the workflow is copied into the workspace. So when you're working with existing templates online, it's important to check all the nodes. Sometimes you see it's red, and it means it's like not configured correctly yet. So you need to go into individual node to fix that, and it's usually the credentials that is needed. If you are using the template for the first time, I would recommend not to change too much of it first. Try to make the thing work initially, because sometimes even if you change the credentials, the workflow might not just work right. So it's important to make sure the workflow works first, then you make modification to it. Other sources you can go to is a GitHub repository, awesome n8n templates. I'll provide all the links in the description. So essentially, you can go in here, look for things that is something that you want to build, and you can use that as a base. And let's just click on one. You can see that there is a JSON file here, and let's just test this. Copy this whole JSON and go to a workflow. Remove this first. So now it's an empty workflow again, and copy in. Yeah, you can see that if you copy in the JSON file from the repository, it also works. And the same problem is that there is misconfigured nodes where you need to fix before it's working. And another source you can go to is the file for n8n workflow. You just download it. After you download it, you go into the n8n workflow. Let's remove this again. And you can go in here and import from. Then you just look for the files that is the one you downloaded. So you can see that it can be imported instantly. Then you have a baseline of the workflow from Herk to work on this. And then he usually have a YouTube tutorial that goes along with how you can use this workflow and how you can modify it. It's a very great resource. I highly recommend it.